table mats she got from Home Goods. These like gold plates. It's from Dollar Tree.
Yes, Dollar Tree store. The plate. Dollar Tree store. This one and this one, Dollar Tree store. And then this one,
the napkin.
I forget where I buy it.
Okay.
Okay.
So, and she gets more than 6. And these are, guys, these are only $1. Can you believe these are only $1? And they feel like such good quality. So if someone breaks it, it's not something you can like, you won't feel so upset about, you know?
No. At all.
Then we have a knife here, a spoon, and then a glass, and then 2 forks. Where did you get these from?
I buy this one a long time, more than 20 years.
Okay. See, she just keeps it clean. It comes out for the holidays. We have a candle here. This actually, she found a pack. It was a brand new pack. It says it's from Bath and Body Works, but she got it from a thrift store, right?
Yes, for $2.
Okay.
And then I buy this one.
The candle holder.
Yeah. Savers for $7.
Another
each.
thrift store.
Yes. And
so let's talk about the centerpiece. You're very big on centerpieces.
Right.
So you can see in the centerpiece it has like little pumpkins. It has like an autumn. It has lanterns that could be lit up. She puts it in this like carriage and she surrounds it by pumpkins, all different types, and leaves. It looks very fall. And then you see there's a turkey right here, and then a little turkey right here. And then she put some grapes and really made it festive. So for Thanksgiving, we have all the food in the kitchen so that people can go with their plates, get it in the kitchen, and then there's a centerpiece and wine on the table.
Very good.
So where'd you get all this stuff? It's just stuff you collected over the years?
Game yo longtemps. Mais gen tout mwen achete yo.
Every time you see something?
Le mwen yo na Savers, mwen men m'achete yo et puis kou li a mette yo together ensemble.
Okay, so another thrift store find. When she goes to a thrift store, some stuff is from like maybe Home Goods. Just when she sees like little knickknacks, she buys them and she saves them. And not everything she buys is around Christmas, Thanksgiving time. Sometimes you have to buy it in advance. Even if you get it the year after, like let's say it's a Thanksgiving sale and they want to give these on clearance, that's also a good time. You just save it for the following year.
Exactly.
So you have for the candle. This is how she decorates the dining room table for Thanksgiving. Just different stuff she collects over the years. Yeah. Some people, if you don't choose to have a table mat, you can take it off, but this helps if food drops. It doesn't like mess up your table spread or your table.